Everyone, welcome to Dotnetmaster. So guys, today in this video I'm going to be explain about how we are going to be build customized resumes. Okay, what are the steps we follow, what are the stages are there, and what is the, I mean to say that what is the, what exactly the steps we follow to be build unique you know uh, kind of resumes. Okay, so whenever we get any kind of inquiry for the resume building services, first what we are going to be do is first we take the all the inputs from the students, like his education details, all the details we are going to be take, like pass out and this location and all these things we are going to be take the details. And then we are second stage is that this is the first one. Second step is JD analysis. Okay, so how first, and also we are going to be asked to the user what exactly your requirement, I mean what exactly you are looking for the job. Are you targeting for the AI developer, Python developer, what exactly your target? So based on it's, if it is easy, you when you have the exact goal, like exact kind of role, then easy for you to be develop target for that kind of roles and that kind of companies. Okay, so based on the job descriptions, we pick up we extract all the keywords. Okay, keywords are most important, guys. So most of the people will do the mistake, like, whenever I take the any kind of resumes from the students, I hardly find only 4 or 5 keywords. Okay, so make sure that in your resume at least you have something around 10 to 12 keywords minimum. Okay, and make sure that whatever you are mentioning in your keywords, you should be 100% perfect in that one. You should be master in that all the skills whatever you are mentioning. Okay, and now next important point is next is ATS format structure. Guys, resume ATS format structure is most important. I have seen the most of the 30 to 40% resumes, they do the big mistake, like they most of the students, they follow the two column kind of resumes. So when you have a two columns resumes, right? So ATS, it's very difficult to be recognize, and most of the students I have seen that they are going to be put photograph, some kind of graphics, some kind of logos, icons. So it's going to be in that case your ATS is not going to be read properly due to that image, due to your photo, due to that icon. So there is a chances of failed your resume. When let's suppose if your ATS is not recognize your resume, then 100% you are not going to be able to get the interview calls. So make sure that in your resume follow the ATS kind of format structure properly. Okay, remember guys, in every MNCs they have a very big LLM. They have large, huge kind of resumes. From that, they are going to be filter all your resumes. So whenever you are sending to your proper latest update resume, make sure that it should be ATS friendly. Okay, that is the stage 3. Stage 4, content creation. So guys, content is the king. Remember. So when you have a proper kind of content in your resume, so then definitely HR and the interviewer going to be respond to you. So I have seen that weak vocabulary, action verbs, that's going to be play vital role in resume also. That is also most important. And format also, like example, we have a so many kind of algorithms, you can call algorithms, you can call so many things are there, like framework you can call it. For example, car framework are there for creating the content creation car. Okay, so that's most important. When you're writing something, you should be follow some kind of framework. Okay, so it's going to be make value to your resume. Okay, and stage 5, yes, definitely we are going to be use the AI usage is most important strategy, like what kind of complete filter we are going to be do. Okay, using AI. And the sixth, yes, Dotnetmaster internally we have some kind of internal apps. We are going to be screen completely end to end of your resume. Once it is developed, once content is ready, your AI validations is ready, your everything is ready. Dotnetmaster also internally we have one more app. It is going to be, again it is going to be validate properly your resume is there or not. And ATS testing, yes, validations also is there. And one more, we are going to be do the testing about the 8 to 6 seconds resume view. So within 8 to 6 to 8 seconds, can I go for this resume or not? HR going to be get the impact or not? That's also we are going to be do, this kind of, testing. So guys, if anybody wants, proper premium kind of services, like in the resume building services, so this all the process we are going to be follow. Okay. So see, our target is our students going to be get the good job. That's only our target. So what is the best, what best we can do for the students get the job to get the good interview calls? Definitely we are going to be help to you. Okay. If anybody wants this kind of, resume building services, please reach out, DM in Insta and LinkedIn. We are ready to be help you out. So thank you very much.